To be honest, that question is like manna from heaven to an accountant, because accounts and tax are the reason we wake up in the morning. They're our bread and butter. We train for years to become experts. We do actually find them interesting. And what would take you 3 weeks to do will only take us 3 hours. So it makes sense to outsource all that stuff. You save time and grey hairs, and we have fun. Win-win. With that said, therefore, I thought I'd give you a little background information on this whole accounts malarkey. Usually I reckon they're talking about financial statements and reports that have to be compiled every year. The Companies Act stipulates that these need to be prepared and filed for each accounting period, which is usually 12 months. If you're a limited company, then these accounts will be in the public domain once they have been filed with the Registrar of Companies. Timing is also important because they have to be submitted within 9 months of your period end. But the good news for small companies is that you only have to send a balance sheet. A profit and loss account is not required, so no one can see your income or expenditure, which does help to keep things a little bit more private. Unfortunately, no. Your full account still had to be filed for corporation tax purposes within 12 months of your period end, and the tax for small companies is due only 9 months and 1 day after it. Any distributions made to a director or shareholder have to be disclosed on their personal tax return. As accountants, we advise our clients on the best way to extract the profits from their company, which tends to be one of 2 ways, either through their pay or through dividends. Each method has different tax implications though, so a good accountant will be able to guide and advise you on the best route for your circumstances. There are many factors that can affect that situation. If that makes it all sound a bit dodgy though, it isn't. At Essendon, we're very careful to ensure our clients receive the best advice on how to operate tax efficiently, while still pursuing the true spirit of their legal responsibilities. And we get great pleasure from minimising someone's tax bill while still keeping the taxman happy.